Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Pink Winter Christmas Decor Challenge, and the host of this collab is Antoinette Decorating. Now the co-host of this collab is Sewell over at My Style My Colors and Tammy at Glam Queen of DIY. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a centerpiece which you could use in multiple places in your home. You can either use it on a fireplace mantle, on a window, you could decorate a tabletop, or even a centerpiece for your table. So let's jump into it. So now here we're going to be using one of the Dollar Tree signs. I'm going to flip it over so that we can use a smooth surface. I'm going to be giving this one coat of the hunter green color, and I got that at the crafter section in the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we gave it this one coat. Now we're going to move over to the next step. Now we're going to be decorating some wooden ornaments that I got from the crafter section. So we're going to be coloring it in this pink cameo, I believe that's what it's called. It's apple barrel, and I did purchase this at Walmart. So now the three pieces, in case I didn't mention it, was the round ornament shape. Then you have the bell shape. And then I got one of these sleds. I absolutely love the size of this. So all three pieces got the same color. Once we have all those pieces painted, we set that aside, and now we're moving on to this wooden cutout shaped like a tree, and we're also going to be decorating the little house that you see right there next to it. And I got that again at the Dollar Tree. We're also going to be using this microfiber cloth, and I'm going to be cutting that to the shape of the Christmas tree. Now once I have that microfiber cloth cut out to the shape of the tree, we are going to be using quite a thick layer of Mod Podge on the Christmas tree, and then we're going to be placing that cutout on top of it. So I set the tree over to dry with that Mod Podge, and now we're working on the house. So I'm going to be painting this in pink and in white, and that's what I'll be doing next. Okay, so we painted the top in white, the house in pink, and then we did the wreath in the green. We're setting that aside and we're letting that dry. Now we're going to come back to the ornaments. We are going to be embellishing all three of these, and so I'm just going to leave you to watch so that you can see how I chose to embellish these. And I did use scripture in each one of the ornaments. So just so you know, all of the embellishments that I'm using to decorate these ornaments, I did purchase at the Dollar Tree. So these loose gems I purchased at Michael's, and I am going to be using them on two of the ornaments, and that's what you see me doing here. Now once I laid that sticker down, I did go back in all three of the ornaments and I did seal everything in with the Mod Podge. And you can choose to use the matte finish or you can use the gloss finish. I chose to use the gloss finish. So now we're starting over with the Christmas tree with that microfiber cloth. So it is a white tree. So we are going to be embellishing with some of the berries in that yellow color or the goldish color. I placed one of the heart stickers at the very top. And then we're also going to be adding some loose gems as though they were ornaments around that tree. And I think that looks absolutely beautiful. Now everything seems to be dry, so we're going to go ahead and start placing everything together so we can glue it down to the board. And this is going to be our centerpiece. So I'm going to take those little cubes and we're going to glue them in the back of each of the house and the Christmas tree. So what I decided to do with the sled is I wanted it to be upright. So I glued two of the cubes on either side of it in order to glue it down up on the board. So everything is looking beautiful. We're also going to embellish with some bottle brush trees, some little cotton balls. It's just looking absolutely gorgeous. So this is what this absolutely gorgeous piece looks like right before we head on to the reveal. I just want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. And don't forget, I will be linking the playlist down below. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays.